Welcome to a room tour of the Elite Plaza Hotel in Gothenburg in Sweden. And this is room 230 to be precise. Give you a quick room tour as to what to expect, and you may already hear the slightly creaky floorboards that are in this room. Nice and antique looking, but not ideal if you want to sneak around in this room. You've got a pretty comfortable lounge area here. There's lots of welcome snacks, which is always nice. There's also some more snacks beside the bed, which has already been turned down. I've got some plugs here, another reading light, a couple of pillows, not bad, the usual sort of thing that we expect to see in a Swedish hotel room. I'll show you the desk area, not huge, but it's okay if you need to do a little bit of work. You've got some pop-out plugs just there. Fairly standard espresso machine, and you've also got a small mini bar just inside there too. There's a decent enough TV, which is on a bit of a movable stand. You've got a large wardrobe here, kind of cool design on it. Very much the look of this hotel. So it's quite an old building, so you got very high ceilings. That does mean it's a little bit echoey in here as well. I can't show you too much outside because it's fairly dark outside at the moment, but give you a quick look. You can just about see it there. It is kind of quiet now, but it's worth mentioning that earlier on you could hear the trams going by and a bit of traffic and things like that. So, but it is, as you can see, a pretty spacious room. The bathroom is just in here. Again, pretty decent size. You've got a bathtub and a shower, which is nice. And also the bathtub has a shower head. So you've got plenty of options there as well. There's a couple of towels, dressing gown, bathrobe, whatever you want to call it. The toilet is just in there. And then you have a single sink, I should say, not a seat, a single sink. And there's also some toiletries as well. All the usual sort of things you get in a fairly modern hotel room. So yeah, not bad. It's a pretty good location. It's quite central to the city centre here in Gothenburg. And apart from the creaky floor, it's not a bad hotel. It'd be nicer if this was a proper double, but anyway, that's the quick look at the Elite Plaza Hotel in Gothenburg. Hope you found it useful. If you have any questions about it, just add them in the comments below and I will reply. And if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful in any way, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks for watching.